Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. For today's video, I'm going to do a drizzle, a swipe, and little swipes, and a spin. Oh, it's going to be fun. I've got a feeling it might get a little messy, but hey, we get set up and we're going to get right to it. I hope you guys, if you're new to this channel, I hope that you will subscribe, and I look forward to hearing your comments. And hey, don't forget that thumbs up. It's very important. I appreciate y'all so much, and let's get right to it. So for this swipe, drag, and spin, I have got a nice little variety of colors here. I've got some cobalt blue that I already had, so I just thought we'd use that. This is metallic worn penny. It's really pretty. I don't like metallics. I've got this pretty magenta. And let's see, this one is called Blue Cloud. And this is Woody Smoke. Okay, so then I have to do my swipe with, I have black. So we're going to do a, I don't want to say in the beginning, a drizzle swipe and spin. Drizzle, swipe, spin. Now say that 3 times really fast. This does have silicone in it, and I saw something and somebody said that they'd been told to just give it a tiny stir. The gal that I was watching, she said, well, she stirs hers thoroughly. I would recommend stirring it thoroughly because the silicone wants to separate from your paint. Well, that's not really what you're wanting it to do, otherwise why put it in there. So, want to mix that silicone thoroughly in there. I've got paper towels. I'm going to do drag with wet, damp paper towels. So I've got water. I've got my swiping cards. So I'm going to start with my drizzle here. And I hope I can drizzle, because I usually get a little carried away. I don't know what the center is exactly, but I hope we're okay here. So I'm going to drizzle this side. I like magenta. And I love cobalt blue. Man, it's just one of my favorites. I think if I could, I'd paint everything with blue. Okay, my cloud blue. And the Woody Smoke. And our worn penny. And then we'll do the other side. There, barely made it, but we made it. I'm going to get those nice and out of the way. I've got my black, and we're going to go down the center here. Okay, I'm going to dampen my paper towel. And I'm just going to lay it gently there in the black. And we're going to drag it out. Paper towels that we're having to get these days. Well, first of all, they're hard to get. Not as hard as toilet paper, and folks, it's about to get real at my house with no toilet paper. I'm down to the last few. I'm gonna have to see if I have friends that were hoarders, I guess. It's getting a little worrisome. Whoops. Okay. Well, we're gonna do some other things, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that little whatever you want to call it. Okay, wow, some cool colors going on here. So now what I want to do is see how well this works. I haven't done this, but it looked fun. So you know what? It may not work, but if it looks fun and you want to have fun, then try it. So I'm going to take these. I've got these little things I've cut up. It was actually a folder binder, little plastic dooflotchy things here. So I'm going to do some little swappies here and see what happens. Wow, that blue is pretty. Yeah. Let me make sure I have everything out of the way before I may, sling everything off my table, but we're going to give it a go here. Let me make sure we got a lot of room there. Okay, let's Okay, there we have it. I'm going to stop there. I think it looks pretty cool. It's something to definitely play with. I like it. I like the colors. I mean, got some awesome cells, some little lacing through the black. Wouldn't mind a little more lacing in there. Let's see if we can do that. We could just get the black to... Let's see, what might I want to do here? I think I'm going to use a little dab of the cobalt blue. I've just put it on my little card here. Well, kind of. There we go. Ah. Man, I really don't want to touch any of that. Let's see. Let's just spin it again, and I want to see if that does anything for it. So let's go. Ready? Make sure you have everything out of the way if you use the spinner. I have just glued down, it's just a regular little, you know, I guess cake spinner or spinner thing, but I have glued down a piece of board on here, and then I taped my back of my canvas to it so it would stay on. I wouldn't sling it off of there. Well, that's looking really cool. I think I'll leave it there. What do you say? Let me know what you think. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate you so much. Hey, don't forget to leave me a comment, thumbs up. I'd love to hear how you're doing and what you're doing. Let me know what projects you're working on, what pours. And just keep in mind, folks, every one of them is not going to turn out great. I can't tell you the number of times that I just say, oh my goodness. I mean, it happens. It happens to everybody. And trust me, a lot of the videos you're looking at, I mean, we all do it. I mean, if it's horrible, we're not going to put it on there. So, but it happens to everybody. But don't get discouraged. And right now is not the time to get discouraged. I mean, we've got enough discouragement going on. So, hey, do something fun and happy. I'm going to have to drag one more time here because I don't have... See if I can get something to... Ugh, don't want to... There. I think that's going to maybe do what I want it to. Alright guys, now I promise I'm going to stop. I don't see any more, you know, big boo-boo places. I've got some edges over here that we'll take care of those with the drip off here. Oh, man, I like that. It's pretty cool. And that was pretty fun. It's really messy. So, hey, give me thumbs up. Hope you're healthy, happy, and in a good place. And I wish you all happy pouring, and I'll see you next time.